Hey, this is Craig with Woodland Equipment. We're a full-service store located at 1622 Lake Michigan Drive. We sell a variety of equipment. We service everything we sell. Stop by and see us. Today we're going to talk about the Bobcat compact tractor. This is a 1021. They make the same frame in a 1025. That's a 21 horse versus a 25. So if you want a little bit more power, you can do that. Very affordable, very compact, very usable tractor. Year-round applications. Once again, they do a quick attach bucket up front, so you can take this bucket off, take it on very simply. There's a number of different attachments you can put up front. Need a snow blade, they have a snow blade for it. Very easy to take it off and on. One of the great things about Bobcat, it's very good quality. Commercial industrial type of equipment, they hide the hydraulics on the inside of these loader arms, so you don't have to worry about brush breaking your hydro lines and that kind of great thing. They do a good job. They have a leveler on the bucket, so you know if you're off and on. Some people don't like these arms often to be used, so if you're pulling something, that type of thing, you can take these loader arms off very, very simply. You simply have arms on each side, legs on each side. You drop it down, you undo your pins, you take off your hydraulics, and you drive off. The whole thing takes about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes to do. Very simple. We have a hydrostatic transmission, so infinite speed ranges forward and backwards. I simply want to go forward, I push the pedal forward. I want to go backward, I push the pedal backward. No gears, no shifting. Very easy hydrostatic power steering. You don't have to fight to steer this machine. Very easy bucket control up front, left, right, up, down. Very simple to use. You have a 600-pound lift capacity up front, 700-pound lift capacity on the Category 1 3-point hitch. Number of implements you can run back there: a small backhoe, small rototiller, small brush hog, landscape rakes, snow blades, even a rear-mounted snow blower if you wanted to. Very easy controls as you have a independent PTO, which is unique to tractors in this size. So I can have the rear running. I have a mid-mount if I want to do a mower, and you don't have to run them all at the same time. They're independent of one another. 3 range options. I have a high, low, and a neutral, as well as a very, very easy height control on these. These are great workhorse tractors. You have a 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive. What that means is I can run the tractor in 4 wheels. If I'm pulling a load, if I'm pushing something, I can run it in 2 wheels if I need to, if I'm not doing a whole big load. And if I get myself stuck and I start to spin my tires, there is no place like home with a differential lock. You simply lock that down, I engage both tires together, and I get myself unstuck. These Bobcat machines are incredibly well built. Come on down to Woodland Commercial Equipment today. Take a look for yourself.